Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about how to tell time using the terms before and after. In case if you want to have more idea about this, you can go to this link. I have taken a full lesson on it for about 15 minutes. Okay, if you want to have more idea about the time lesson, you can go and watch this video. Let's see the success criteria. After this lesson, you will be smart enough to say the time, an hour before and after a certain time. And then you can tell the time a half an hour before and after a certain time. Okay? Next, let's first revise. I want you to first say the numbers between 1 to 12. Obviously, you all know it, right? Also, just practice saying the numbers backward from 12 to 1. Okay, that's going to really help you. For example, imagine you consider a number 9. Okay, so what is the number before 9? Can you guess? There you are, 8. So this way, this is going to help you. Just revise backward counting. Okay then. So what number comes after 9? Can you guess? Well done. So it's 10. So there you are. Well done, children. Now this can be measured in hours. We write H as H for hour. Okay? If they say 1 hour after 8 o'clock, then remember you will do the forward counting. For after, you will do the forward counting, and for before, you will do the backward counting. So since it is 1 hour after, I'm going to do forward counting. How many hours? 1 hour. So 8 to 9. So my needle is going to jump from 8 till 9 with one whole turn, and there we are. So it's 9 o'clock. Look at this. What is the time in the clock? Can you guess? Yes, it is 3 o'clock. Okay. Look at the time on the clock. What is 1 hour before 3 o'clock? Can you make a guess? What is 1 hour before 3 o'clock? Remember, think about which number comes before 3. Then your job will become easy. Well done. So, just go one number before 3. It's 2. 2 o'clock. Excellent. And now, look at this. Look at the clock and tell me what is the time in the clock now. Well done. It's 8 o'clock. First, you remember which number comes after 8 before you answer this question. Now, I want you to answer what comes after 8. What is 1 hour after 8? First, think what number comes after 8. Well done. So, it's 9 o'clock. Now, let's go to this part of the lesson. A half an hour before and a half an hour after. It's not tricky, neither it's difficult if you just pay attention to the minute details. Okay? Now, tell the time to half an hour before and after. Okay? You can go visit this site and you yourself can play on this. It's so fun and it's amazing. Believe me, you're going to enjoy it. So I would personally encourage you to go on this site and play more games. Okay, This is somewhat it looks, okay? Now, and half an hour is 30 minutes. You should be aware of this. To find an half an hour before, we need to go 30 minutes back. Students, I want you to be aware that when we divide this whole circle into two parts, then one part of the two is called half. So if the clock is either moving this way, we say half, or if it is moving this way, we say half. Okay, so that is each side we have 30 minutes. Okay, now let's start it. You know what is half now. Imagine your clock is now at 12:30. So if your question is like this, 30 minutes before half past 12. Now it is at half past 12. So if it is 30 minutes before half past 12, then we have to go 30 minutes before. Now it's 12:30, right? I go 30 minutes before. I will do the backward counting for before. Yeah, that is 30 to 25, 25 to 20, 20 to 15, 15 to 10, 10 to 5, 5 to 0. So I moved 30 minutes back. Then where I stand? Excellent, at 12 o'clock. Now let's see another example. If it is half past 3 now, okay, so imagine my time is half past 3, that is 3:30. What is 30 minutes before half past 3? What is 30 minutes before half past 3? 30 minutes before. Then I go like this. This is 30, yeah? I go backwards. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. So it's 3 o'clock. Is it clear, students? Just go backward counting from 30 to answer this question. And to find half an hour after, we have to go 30 minutes after. Okay, students, now we will see another level of reading time using after. Okay, before we start this, I want you to be aware of this, that this is a whole, and when we divide this whole into two parts, then each part, either of the two parts, is called half. So this is half and this is half. Okay, so in each half we have 30 minutes, like count, okay, from here till here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So this is 30 minutes, and this side is also 30 minutes. Okay. Now imagine, also I want to tell you one thing. Each number is the multiple of 5. You can say 1 as, multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. Always remember, when we say after, we do the forward counting, and when we say before, we do the backward counting. Now my time is 3 o'clock. Let's see what is 30 minutes after 3. Again I repeat, 30 minutes after 3. So let's get started counting in 5. Okay, 30 minutes after. I start from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So it's half past 3. I started from 3 and now it's 3:30. It's 3:30. We can say this as half past 3. Okay. Now I'm at 3:30. Yeah, I'm at 3:30 now. So let's see what is 30 minutes after half past 3. Let's see from here if we add 30 minutes, where we go and stand. That is 30 minutes after half past 3. Now we are in half past 3. Let's see what is 30 minutes after half past 3. Come on, get started. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Got it? So we reached 30 minutes. And now where we stand? 4 o'clock. Yeah? Okay? Look at this. We are going to even refer to your math book. Ming reaches school at 7 o'clock. So at 7, Ming is reaching the school. Lesson begins at half past 7. That is 30 minutes after 7. Can you guess the time? Well done. It's 7:30. Yeah? Look at the clock. What time it shows? Excellent. It says 4 o'clock. Okay. What is half an hour before 4 o'clock? Half an hour before 4 o'clock. You have to go back before. Remember, we need to move the minute hand before 30 minutes. Is your answer matching with mine? Well done. So I moved the minutes hand 30 minutes before and we reached at 3:30. Okay? That is, in other words, half past 3.